Hello, we are already coming to an end of the topic binomial expansion, but before that we are going to see the application bit of it. So we are going to apply binomial expansion in working out or evaluating other functions. Example, you are told expand the function x plus 2 raised power 7 up to the term x power 4. Hence use your expansion to evaluate 2.0708 raised power 7 correct to 3 decimal places. So we start by first of all expanding x plus 2 raised power 7 up to the term x power 4. We are going to expand x in increasing powers. So what will we have? We shall start with x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4. For 2, it is going now to be decreasing. 2 power 7, 2 power 6, 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 power 3. And then remember to put the coefficients. Put the correct coefficients. For 7, the coefficients were 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 1, 7, 21, 35, 35. We stop there. Then now let us multiply. What do we get for this multiplication? 1 times 1, 2 times 2 raised to power 7 is 128. And then 7 times x is 7x. 2 raised to power 6 is same as 64. So we're talking about 7 times 64. That one gives us 448. So this is 448x. 448x. The next is 21 times x squared, that is 21x squared, and then 21 times 32 gives us 672. So this one is 672x squared. The next is 35 times x cubed is 35x cubed. So that is 35 by 16, and that gives us 560. 560x cubed. Finally, it is 35 times 8 by 8 gives us 208 x power 4. So the expansion is 128 plus 448x plus 672x squared plus 560x cubed plus 280 x power 4. So we were told to use our expansion to work out 2.08 raised power 7. Allow me to use this space here just to show you how to work out that. So we are told to use our expansion. Our expansion was, so let us write our expansion. Our expansion was x plus 2 raised power 7. And we want to use it to solve. So let us equate it to 2.08 raised power 7. That is the first thing. That if you are told to use the expansion to solve another, then first of all pick them and then equate them. So our x plus 2 raised power 7 is going to be equivalent to 2.08 raised power 7. Then now what do you do at this point? Now the powers are the same. We're talking about power 7, so we're going to drop the powers and then we equate the brackets. So we shall have that this one simply means that x plus 2 is equal to 2.08. So therefore, that means that x plus 2 is equal to 2.08. So x alone is equal to 2.08 minus 2. So x is going to be 0.08. If you subtract the 2, it gives you 0.08. So that becomes the value of x. X is 0.08. Now, we are going to rewrite our expansion. It was 128 plus 448x plus 672x squared plus 560 x cubed plus 280 x power 4. But we have already found x to be 0.08. So therefore we are going to use a calculator to work out this. So where there is x, replace with 0.08. So it is supposed to be 128 plus 448 by 0.08 plus 672 by 0.08 raised power 2, and then plus 560 by 0.08 raised power 3, and then plus 280 by 0.08 raised to power 4. 168.438988. So correct to 4 significant figures, I will get 168.4 as the correct answer. So I hope you have understood how we are applying the expansion to answer the question. The first step is to do what? First of all, expand according to what you are told. After expansion, then equate both sides, drop the powers, find the value of x, then replace on the entire expansion, and the calculator will always save you at that point. So because I've already identified this, let me do the next example here. The next example is supposed to be expand 2x minus 2 raised power 7 up to the third term. So we are going to expand up to the third term. 2x minus 2 raised power 7 up to the third term. So in this case, whether you expand in increasing powers of x or decreasing powers of x, it is going to give you the same thing. So we're going to start by 2x raised power 7, 2x raised power 6, and then 2x raised to power 5. Then we move to negative 2 raised power 7, negative 2 raised power 0, then power 1, negative 2 raised to power 2. Then remember the coefficients of 7, they were 1, 7, 21. 1, 7, and then 21. Then now multiply down. So this one gives you 128 x power 7, and then 2 to power 6, that is 64 by 7 is 448, and then by negative 2 gives you negative 896 x power 6, and then this is positive 2688 x power 5. That is the correct expansion. Then we're told to use our expansion to work out 1.08. So we're going to have 2x minus 2 is equal to 1.08 raised power 7 raised power 7. So we therefore at this point drop the powers. So we shall have that this is simply means 2x minus 2 is equal to 1.08. That simply means that 2x is, this one will close, it becomes plus, so 3.08. So what is x? X is 3.08 divided by 2. So we try to work out the value of 3.08 divided by 2, and that one gives us 1.54. So x is 1.54. So therefore we pick our expansion 128 x power 7 minus 896 x power 6 plus 268 x power 5 and then remember x is 1.54. So therefore substitute 128 by 1.14, 1.54 raised to power 7 minus 896, 1.54 raised to power 6 plus 2688 by 1.54 raised to power 5. Then you finish up that by a calculator. I'm getting 13,960.229. So we're told to 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. This one gives me 14,000. So now I want you to try out this and these other ones. I want to believe that you have understood how to work out the concept about binomial expansion. Otherwise, you can always post a question concerning binomial expansion, or come to me physically if you are able to get me. Come and ask a question about binomial expansion. I'll be able to answer that. Otherwise, have a good time, enjoy your holiday, and for those whom we may be able to meet with in school, let's meet in school for the second term. Have a good time and enjoy your holiday. Goodbye.